Hidden deep in the countryside, I discovered an abandoned farmhouse that had been forgotten for years. The building was in terrible condition, but I could still see the potential hidden beneath the damage. Inside, years of neglect had turned into a dark and forgotten shell. Before touching anything, I needed to understand exactly how much work this restoration would require. My goal was ambitious: transform this room into a dark and forgotten shell. Before touching anything, everything damaged beyond repair had to go, would require, before the real transformation could begin. My goal was ambitious: transform this ruined farmhouse into a modern luxury home. The restoration began outside. First, I had to reclaim the property from years of uncontrolled growth. Everything damaged beyond repair had to go. The old floor was completely rotten, so I removed it piece by piece. The structure came first. Every weak beam had to be strengthened before rebuilding could continue. A new roof would protect everything inside and give this old farmhouse a second chance. Next came the windows, bringing natural light and a completely modern character to the farmhouse. Next came the windows, layer by layer. The damaged walls began to look like new again. The old electrical system was replaced with a modern design ready for the home's new technology. New plumbing was installed throughout the house, preparing it for modern kitchens and luxury bathrooms. The transformation became visible. Warm, natural wood flooring replaced the damaged old boards. The old kitchen was replaced with a bright, modern space designed for both comfort and luxury. The living room became the heart of the farmhouse, combining rustic character with modern luxury. The old kitchen was replaced with a bright, modern space, designed for both comfort and luxury. The living room became the heart of the farmhouse, combining rustic character with modern luxury. The living room became the heart of the farmhouse, combining rustic character with modern luxury. The living room became the heart of the farmhouse. I wanted to preserve the feeling of a traditional farmhouse, so I added a dramatic natural stone fireplace. The bedroom was designed as a peaceful retreat, combining natural materials with simple modern luxury. Even the bathroom received a complete transformation, with stone, glass, wood, and modern fixtures. A new staircase connected the spaces, while adding a bold, modern architectural feature. Fresh, neutral colors opened up the rooms and made the entire farmhouse feel brighter. Finally, modern lighting brought warmth and atmosphere to every room. Outside, I built a wooden deck where the future owners could enjoy the peaceful countryside.
After months of hard work, only the final details remained. What once looked abandoned was now becoming a completely different home. And when the lights came on for the first time, the old farmhouse finally felt alive again. From a forgotten ruin to a modern countryside retreat, the transformation was finally complete. One person, one abandoned farmhouse, and an enormous dream. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next adventure.